Cloud PBX transitions the on-premises PBX system to the cloud, with Office 365 as the central management location. With PSTN calling, Office 365 customers can also subscribe to Microsoft-managed calling plans and phone numbers. Skype for Business Cloud PBX comes with the Office 365 Enterprise E5 license. Enterprise E1 or E3 licenses require purchasing and assigning an additional Skype for Business Cloud PBX add-on. In addition, the admin can add Skype for Business International calling. Once users are assigned licenses and a calling plan, the admin can add, assign, and manage phone numbers. Admins can pull phone numbers from any state and the District of Columbia. When the admin selects Colorado, a list of available cities is displayed. The admin selects Pueblo, and then chooses to pull only 5 numbers at this time. Adding phone numbers to Office 365 is a real-time experience, so access to the new phone numbers is immediate without the admin completing any further work or having to contact a phone company. The admin can continue acquiring numbers in this order for another 10 minutes. Admins can use port orders to transfer phone numbers from an existing service provider or carrier into Skype for Business Online, making Microsoft the service provider. The admin can manually assign a new phone number to any active user. The newly acquired Pueblo, Colorado phone numbers are already available for assignment. The system must have at least one emergency address created before assigning a phone number to a user. Here, the admin can assign Redmond as the emergency location, but a phone number can also be assigned. Skype for Business PBX supports phone number assignment using PowerShell, so obtaining and assigning numbers to hundreds of employees is quick and easy. With Cloud PBX, Anne can make and take calls from Skype for Business on her PC, but call audio flows through her phone. She can call Rob Young from Skype for Business by clicking on the dial pad. She can also type David's phone number on her keyboard or paste the number if it's already copied to the clipboard. The dial pad allows Anne to place the call on hold or transfer a call, and she can easily add and remove devices. After the call connects, Anne can use the mic button at the bottom of the window to mute or unmute herself and the handset button to end the call. The Skype for Business dial pad and call controls remain visible throughout a PSTN call. For non-PSTN calls, the dial pad and call controls are accessible with one click. Take on-premise phone systems into the cloud and access Microsoft-provided calling plans and phone numbers with Cloud PBX and PSTN calling, part of the new capabilities now in Office 365.